Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a custom thank you page for your Shopify store online from scratch in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I honestly think that the best way to create a thank you page that's customized and that fits your preferences or the theme for your store is to use a site builder like eComposer. So the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we have the application or plugin installed. So I'm going to log into Shopify, as you guys can see here. And the idea is we would need to get access to the Shopify App Store. Now to get there, you guys would want to click on Apps, like so. And from here, you'd want to select App and Sales Channel Settings. And on this page, you'd want to click on Shopify App Store. So what's going to happen is this is going to redirect you to a new page where you get to install all of the compatible plugins and tools that you get to integrate with your Shopify. So the one we're looking for here is eComposer. So I'm simply going to type eComposer on the search bar, just like that. And this should pull up all of the results that pertain to what we just typed. So it's this one right here, eComposer Landing Page Builder. And it's completely free, although they do have paid plans as well that come with more features, but the free one will get you all of the fundamental functions that you need to create your page. So once we have it installed, just like that, we're simply going to click on the apps menu on the left hand side of the screen. And this is going to show you a drop down with all of your installed applications, as you guys can see. So from here, I'm going to use eComposer. Wait for it to load. And we're ideally going to create a new page from scratch. So we're going to start with a blank page and click on Start Building on the top right corner of your screen. And from here, we're going to select the format or the template for our page. So to fit the theme of a thank you page, we're going to do a landing page, and we're going to select a template from here. So we can select one from free, and we could find one that fits the theme or fits the bill, just like that. But in my case, I'll be starting with a blank template. So this way you get full customization for your thank you page. So we're going to click on next. And here we're going to give it a page title and a page handle. So we want people to know it's a thank you page. So we're simply going to type thank you, just like that. And select our Shopify theme. So it's going to be Dawn, obviously, as you guys can see. And click on Start Building. And it should take you to this page right here. Now, here's where we get to fully customize our thank you page. So here you guys can add cool things like a banner, a media accordion, or a collection or a carousel, or like in gallery form. So that's pretty cool. You can also add testimonials to show people our social credit for our store. So simply add a new container, drag the stuff that you need. You can customize this, by the way. You can add an embed link to it. You can change the text. So instead of 80% off, we're going to say thank you, like that, as you guys can see. And for the content, we can add something like thank you for shopping with us, something like that. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to let us know that in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.